everybody, this is Dave Bensman with Bensman Home Computer Repair, and here's today's tech tip. Do you have a Brother printer that you need to uninstall? Here's how to do it. First, double-click on the Brother Utilities icon. Then left-click on Tools. Then left-click on Uninstall. Follow the directions after that, and it should guide you through the process of uninstalling your Brother printer. Next, close that, open Control Panel, and left-click on Programs and Features. Then find anything that says Brother next to it, click it, and then click on Uninstall, and that will uninstall your Brother printer. Lastly, you're going to want to go to Devices and Printers, click on Printers and Scanners, click on any Brother printer that you see, and then click on Remove. Reboot your computer, and you'll be ready to reinstall your printer. If you live in the Memphis, Cordova, Bartlett, Germantown, Oakland, Arlington, Collierville, Millington, or Eads, Tennessee area, and you need a computer expert to come to your home and help you solve your computer problems, feel free to give me, Dave Bensman, a ring at 901-830-4362. Mention ad code PCPerfect for 10% off your first visit.